In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Schedule K1 into TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your return to start the K1 workflow and what to expect as TurboTax guides you through it. Before we begin, have your Schedule K1 handy so you can match details accurately and make sure you're working in the correct tax year of your return. Once you're in your tax return, head to the top navigation and look for the income area. Hover over income to reveal the available sections. This is where TurboTax groups all income topics from wages to investments to pass-through income reported on a schedule, K1. Hovering helps surface the links you'll need without leaving your current screen. Next, select Wages and Income Summary. This opens the main income hub for your return. Think of it as a dashboard that lists the different income categories and lets you jump into the one you need. You'll use this screen to access the K1 tools and come back later if you need to add or review anything else. On the Wages and Income page, find the section for Schedule K1. It's clearly labeled and usually appears under a Partnerships and S Corporations or Business Investments type heading. Click Add Edit in that Schedule K1 area. That button begins the K1 entry or import process. If you have more than one K1, you'll use the same button each time, and TurboTax will keep them organized so you can review them later. When prompted, choose Yes to confirm that you have a Schedule K1 to report. Clicking Yes tells TurboTax to launch the K1 interview. From there, the software will ask simple guided questions and may offer an import option if your issuer and format are supported. If import isn't available, you can still enter the information directly by following the on-screen prompts and matching the boxes and codes on your K1. Take your time and type names and amounts exactly as shown on your form to avoid mismatches. A quick but important note, you need to be on the premium level of TurboTax to work with Schedule K1s. If you're not already on premium, TurboTax will prompt you to upgrade before you proceed. Review the upgrade details and continue when you're ready. If you're already on the correct level, you'll move straight through the questions without interruption. That's it. By hovering over income, opening the Wages and Income Summary, selecting Add Edit in the schedule. K1 section, confirming with Yes and using a premium plan, you'll be set up to import or enter your K1 information smoothly. Save your progress as you go and keep your K1 for your records in case you need to revisit any details later.